By the end of this video, you're going to understand what affiliate marketing is at a basic level. We're going to talk about the easiest form of affiliate marketing in 2025. I'm going to show you some results from people that are doing that. And we're going to talk about how you can get started, what your minimum requirements are as well. If you're someone that's looking for a highly edited retention style type of video with lots of graphics and fancy stuff, you might as well click away. I'm here to just genuinely talk to you, give you some value. Let's not waste any time. But if you do find value by the end of the video, do drop a like and consider subscribing. Let's start by looking at some results of people that are doing affiliate marketing. These people are doing something called TikTok Shop affiliate marketing. This lady is selling a concealer brush. The commission that she's earned as an affiliate is 20% of that amount. So if I bring up my calculator, she's made $6,866 from one video. Let's look at another person promoting the same product. She has generated in total for the shop she is promoting for $3,590. It's 20% commission. So she has made from this one 25-second video, 700, not bad. Some additional results here, completely different product. This is a Goli Ashwagandha Vitamin D gummy. Scroll a bit further down. If we look at this third one, 24-second video, and she has made $515,000, 340, which is a pretty crazy amount considering that it's only a 24-second video. This, by the way, is just ridiculous. Out of all of that, she makes 20% commission. The take-home amount she would have made from this video is $103,068. Absolutely bonkers. Slightly different product here, 360-degree rotation dashboard car phone holder. Same principle again. Look at this video that's ranked number 4, getting 30% commission out of every single sale, and in total they brought in 65,000, taking home 19,650 by creating a 16-second video, and they only have 1,000 followers. So proof that you don't need to have a huge following to make money in affiliate marketing. So we're going to look at what affiliate marketing is at a basic level with help from our friend ChatGPT here. So affiliate marketing in general is a way to earn money online by promoting other people's products or services. You get a unique link to share, and when someone buys through your link, you earn a commission, which is what these people I'm talking about are doing here. The way that affiliate marketing works in general, step by step. So you join an affiliate program. You sign up with a company that offers affiliate marketing, like Amazon Associates is one of the biggest ones out there, Shopify, Bluehost, etc. You get a unique link. So you get a link once you sign up as an affiliate for that company. And from there, you promote the product that they give you. And then you share the link on a blog, you share the link on a YouTube video, you share the link on social media, email, whatever way or means you use to communicate to the people that you communicate to. And from there, when people purchase that product from your video using your unique link, if someone buys through that, you get paid a percentage of the sale. Again, these examples that I've just been showing you here are doing exactly just that. So running through some examples of what affiliate marketing is, or how it works rather. You've got bloggers. So for example, you might have a tech blogger reviewing laptops, and they'll include affiliate links to Amazon. If you think of YouTubers like Marques Brownlee, he does something similar. Obviously he's too big now. He doesn't need to include Amazon affiliate links and stuff like that, but he's the perfect type of example of someone who would do affiliate marketing. YouTubers like Marques Brownlee, as I've mentioned, you get fitness YouTubers as well. They'll share a link to like gym equipment that they're using, supplements, products, etc. Once you buy those using their link, they get paid a certain percentage. Social media influencers, so Instagram users, TikTok users, they'll link their favorite products. And if you buy through that link, they will get paid a certain commission. Whereas if you go and buy directly from the website, they'll obviously not get paid anything. So in a nutshell, that is how affiliate marketing works in general. Now, the easiest model, I believe, when it comes to affiliate marketing to get started. The problem is, just digressing a little bit here, for years, and has been my belief as well before I started this easiest model, affiliate marketing has always needed either a high view count, so you're able to attract a lot of views, a lot of eyeballs, or a high follower count, or both, or high engagement, or you've got the budget to pay for ads, Facebook ads, Google ads, TikTok ads, whatever, in order to get people looking at your product offering. And that's what's always put me off from affiliate marketing. All these influencers that go and claim all these amazing results. I've just generated $500,000 with affiliate marketing. When you look in the back end, you actually realize, oh, we actually spent $100,000 on ads. Oh, I've made $10,000 in 24 hours. Oh, you actually spent $3,000 in ads. The good thing about, and what I find crazy about this easiest form of affiliate marketing, which is called TikTok Shop Affiliate, is you don't need none of that to get started. So let's define what TikTok Shop Affiliate marketing is as a start. So we've got Google and our friend Gemini here. Again, I think this is a more structured definition as opposed to me trying to word it in my own words. So TikTok Shop Affiliate Marketing is a program where brands on TikTok can partner with content creators, that's you, the affiliate, to promote their products through video content, allowing creators to earn a commission for each sale generated through their unique links within the TikTok platform, essentially enabling brands to reach a wider audience through the power of influencers on TikTok. So it benefits the brands or shops or companies, whatever you want to call them. It benefits TikTok because it's obviously their platform and they make money from it. And at the bottom, it benefits you, the content creator or affiliate, because you get paid a certain percentage, a certain commission. So it's a win-win situation for everyone that's involved, as it usually is with any company that offers affiliate marketing. Now, in terms of key points about TikTok Shop Affiliate Marketing, the way that it works, you as a creator, you select a product from a marketplace provided by TikTok Shop, which is very easy to access. It's literally on the app that you use. Everything I'm talking about here is on the TikTok app. You don't have to go and on any other websites or apps or anything in terms of just getting started. Now, you create engaging content showcasing the products that you've selected from the marketplace. You include a clickable link in the video, which directs viewers to the product page where they can purchase directly. That's it. TikTok provides you the link. You don't have to be super highly skilled. You don't have to be an IT whiz or developer type person. Everything is literally there. Grandmas to teenagers, working moms, everyone can do it as long as you know how to use the TikTok app. In terms of earning commissions, you can earn a percentage of the sale price for each purchase made through your affiliate link. Tying back again to these examples that I was showing you here, these are TikTok Shop affiliates. They're doing exactly what I'm reading here, and these are real results and how much money they're making. You can see this lady here with a little one. You can see this married couple. You can see all kinds of diverse, different kinds of people that are doing TikTok Shop affiliate marketing, different follower counts. Look at this one, 8,200 followers. So you don't have to be someone with hundreds of thousands. This one I mentioned earlier, they've only got 1,000 followers and they only made a 16-second video. It doesn't matter how many followers you have as long as you meet the minimum requirement, which I'm going to talk about here in just a second. Going back to what Google is saying here. So the benefits for brands, again, they gain access to a large audience on TikTok, increase product visibility, and only pay commission when a sale is made. So the brands don't have to pay you unless a sale is made. So they know the money is in their pocket, they pay you. TikTok makes whatever they make. Everyone is happy. And the benefit for you, the creator, you monetize your content by promoting products you believe in. You earn income based on the performance of those products. Looking around here for an example. So say, for example, I start talking about this DJI Neo drone, which is available on TikTok Shop. And if I wanted to do an affiliate video promoting it, I could do it. I genuinely use this DJI Neo mini product and I genuinely enjoy using it. My kids enjoy using it. The whole family. It's just a really good experience. So I genuinely use it myself. So why not talk about it on a 15-second TikTok video or a 2-minute TikTok video, how it works, how people can start using it and put a link to this product in the video. Now, there is a sense of flexibility. Brands can set their own commission rates. They can choose which products creators can promote. So although TikTok is obviously the governing body on all of this, there is a sense of flexibility. It's not a cowboy wild west situation where everyone does what they like. There is obviously some regulations. There are some rules that are set in place, but the shops have got some flexibility in terms of what they want to be promoted as by affiliate marketers. Now, let's talk about the minimum requirements in order to join TikTok Shop Affiliate. So here in the UK, to qualify for TikTok Shop Affiliate, you generally need to have a TikTok account with at least 5,000 followers. That's incorrect. It needs to be 1,000 followers in the UK. In the US, it needs to be a minimum of 5,000 followers. You need to be at least 18 years old. You need to maintain an account that's in good standing, and you will then have access to the product marketplace in order to apply with brands directly within the TikTok app. Beauty of this is you don't necessarily have to apply with brands in order to start promoting the product. For example, this DJI Neo drone, I've already got it in hand. If I go into the TikTok Shop marketplace and select this product, I don't have to get go ahead from the shop or the seller. I've already got the product. I'll get the link, put it in a video, talk about the product. Obviously, TikTok has all the technology to make sure that I am representing the product and the company honestly as the product is listed on there. I can't just jump on a video and claim that this flies you to the moon, this transports your whole family underwater to the Mariana Trench or anything ridiculous like that. So there is a sense of governance in there. It's not just a case of get on, do what you want, even though it is easy, as I've mentioned. So the key points about TikTok Shop affiliate requirements in the UK: follow account. Again, that's wrong. The minimum is 1,000 followers. The 5,000 followers is USA. You need to be 18 or older. Account must be in good standing. And you also need log into the TikTok Shop Seller Center and navigate to the affiliate marketing. Again, that's incorrect. You don't need to go into the TikTok Shop Seller Center. It's all within the TikTok app. So Google might need to update some of this information. I am also keeping in mind that the US is obviously going through this whole potential ban or potential TikTok sales situation at the moment. But as you can see, even though Donald Trump is having these conversations right now with TikTok, people are still putting their heads down. These are USA results. These people are in the US that are making this money as we speak. By the way, I'm using a tool here called Shop Plus. So another good thing, if you really want to get a head start when you're starting as a TikTok Shop affiliate, there's these tools that allow you to spy into what's working on TikTok Shop affiliate. This one is called Shop Plus. I've got a link to it in the description somewhere, and you can just simply go into it. You can see what products are selling the most. If you look on the top right there, you can see what videos are making the most money, and a whole other bit of information that you can select. As you can see, I've filtered it by US. So this is USA that we're looking at here, but I'm based in the United Kingdom. So if I wanted to, I could look at the United Kingdom. And then if I go into advanced filtering here towards the bottom, I can filter it by day, weekly, monthly. So I'm asking Shop Plus, what's selling well today? What's selling well this week? What's selling well over the last month? Not only can you do that, but you can also go a level deeper by going into the product that's selling well. And Shop Plus will allow you to see relevant videos. So you can see the video that actually sold the product. You can see how much money they made, how many units they sold. This is just a good way for you to copy what already works. Not steal, copy, make it your own, make it unique here and there, put your own spin on it, but you can see what's already working and what's already making money, which is invaluable when you're doing something like TikTok Shop affiliate. You can do the same thing, obviously different products here, but what's even crazier is you can also go into the individual video, like this one here, for example. This is the video detail page, and on here you get the details that you can obviously see, stats and all that. But what I wanted to highlight is you can download the video. And you can also export the script as well. So what's being said in this video, you'll get the full script, and you can essentially word for word see what the person is saying and try and navigate your way and maybe do your own unique script on the basis of a script that has made $1.6 million. So feel free to check it out. It'll be linked in the description somewhere. I have personally made over £1,000 over the last couple of months as a TikTok Shop affiliate, barely putting in any time. Most of those videos, I'm not showing my face either, which is absolutely crazy. So you don't have to show your face for those people that are worried about that. You can also use AI videos if you are someone that enjoys creating within the AI space. Go back to top sales here. There's also different kinds of products as well that you can promote. As you can see, it's not just medical products, pillows, there's tech stuff. There's all these different categories that you can select here if you're just starting out. If I was to go to, again, back to the US, and if I was to just randomly select a product here that I've not looked at previously, let's look at these screen protectors, just showing how simple it is to just start, get your foot in the door and start generating some income as a TikTok Shop affiliate here. I like looking at the shorter videos. This one here, for example, this is a 7-second long video, which has generated $35,180. So they've made 50% commission on this product. This is a screen protector for smartphones. The price is $5.99 for each screen protector. So this 7-second video here would have made 50% of that amount from promoting this product. So if we go 35,180 and we multiply that by 50%, probably being a bit lazy here, so they would have made $17,590 from making a 7-second video talking about something that they already use anyway, which is just absolutely bonkers. Now, another key thing which I wanted to mention is if you are starting out as a TikTok Shop affiliate, it's important that you select the correct product, because as you can imagine, like anywhere with any company, some products will do well, but some products won't be doing very well. So how do you go about choosing something that people are interested in? Because just because I'm talking about this DJI Neo drone, it doesn't mean people are going to care about it. How do I go about finding products that are going viral, products that are trending, or products that are about to start trending, so I can ride that wave, get that traffic, and take that opportunity and make as much money as I can as quickly as I can? The video on the screen goes through exactly how to go about selecting the right products on TikTok. So stick around, I will catch you in there.